Here's a LG Magic Remote. I'm going to show you how to disable that pointer permanently. Okay. So the first thing we got to do is go to the settings. You can go to the settings from the gear icon up there, or a settings button, the gear icon on your remote, like right here. Okay. So let me click on the settings. Now from the left pane here, what you want to do is you want to look for screen off. If your screen off is not anywhere here, go down to edit mode. Click on that, and then there should be a plus sign somewhere. Click on the plus sign and you'll get like a list. Look for screen off, okay? But mine, for some reason, let me go exit that edit mode. My screen off is right here. So let me just click on that. Count to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to tap on the home button. Screen's going to turn back on. Now we're going to press two buttons, the home button and the back button. Home button, back button at the same time. Ready, set, press and hold, and keep on holding until up here on the top right hand side it says remote is disconnected. So just wait. Okay, it said remote registration is disconnected. Now we're going to go back to screen off. Let me click on the settings, and then let me go back down to screen off. Let me click on that right there. It said registering new remote, but it's okay. Now you see my power button blinking, and now it just went off. Okay, so it's disabled. If your power button is like still like solid red, then you have to do it over again. Okay, anyway, mine should be disabled now, so I'll press on any button. I'll just press on the home button. Now it's back on, and you see that it's not going to come back on. Okay, even if I go to I go to Prime Video, I click on this wheel here, I'm moving it up and down, and it's not coming back. Okay, so there you go, you're permanently disabled. Now, if you want it to come back, simply just go to your home screen, click on the home button, and then again, home button, back button, press and hold. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, and I'm going to keep on holding for 10 seconds here, okay? I'm not going to get no message up there, but hold it for 10 seconds. 8, 9, 10. Now let go. And now if I press this middle button here, registering new Magic Remote, and we're back in business. Okay? Pretty simple.